In this lecture, we are discussing customrobots.txt. So in order to access customrobots.txt, all you need to do is simply click on settings and then go to the search preferences. So under crawlers and indexing, the first option is customrobots.txt. So simply click on that and simply press on enable. So now the question is, what is the customrobots.txt? So this is the piece of the code which lets the search engine know about the structure of your blog. So it is very important, and these are automatically generated in the blogger, but it is better to add your own customrobots.txt files. So in this way we can let the search engine know which files to index and which files not to index. So this is the piece of the code that you will be using, and I will be providing this code in the next lecture as a PDF. So basically this is the code. So let me explain the code for you. So this is the user agent Mediapartners-Google. So this lets Google to show relative ads on your blog. So the next thing is, there are two things, disallow and allow. So in disallow, we are disallowing the search. So when someone searches something on our blog, for example like this, and here some blogs have search button here like this here. So if they search something, the results will appear which might get indexed by the search engine crawlers, so which might give us a duplicate plenty. So we don't want to allow, so we want to disallow search, and we want to allow a sitemap of our blog. So simply copy this code and paste it here, and don't forget to change this URL. So where it says my blog, simply change the URL of your blog. So my blog's URL here is Udemy test blog. So simply change this and click on save changes. So now the customrobots.txt have been added, but you can for example if you have written a post and you want to disallow that and don't want it to be appeared in the search engine, you can also do that. So I have written this test post. So if I want to disallow this post, all I need to do is simply edit the code. So let me edit the code. So all I need to do is simply copy this disallow, paste it here, and then simply copy this URL. So just make sure that you are copying the URL above the .com/. So only copy URL from here, Control C to copy it and paste it here. So in this way, this post will not be indexed in the search engine. So this post will not appear in front of the search engine crawlers, but this can appear on your blog. So for example, if you want to write something personal on your blog and don't want to be indexed on search engine, for example, if you are if you own a tech blog, but you are trying to write about why you are not writing on your blog anymore, and or you are going on the vacation and your blog will not be updated for the 1 month or 2 months. So these type of posts that you don't want to index in your blog, you can simply disallow them in the customrobots.txt files. So let me click on save changes, and this is done now.